Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get notifications of my videos. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be creating this makeup look with only one brand, that is MyGlamm, and only two products. Yes, you've heard that right, only two products. One is the MyGlamm CHISEL IT palette in the shade Game Face that has three colors, one bronzer, one blush and one highlighter. And the other product from MyGlamm that I will be using today is the MyGlamm lipstick. It is called Color Fusion, which has a plumping lipstick and a plumping lip gloss. This is how it looks from within. Here is the lipstick and here is the lip gloss. So if you are interested in knowing how I create this look with only one brand, two products, then please keep on watching. Before starting the makeup, I have already done my base with a foundation and a concealer, and then I would be using these two products for doing my eyes, my contouring, my blush, my highlighting and my lips. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm using this fluffy blending brush from Pro Arte in the number AE24 and picking up the darkest brown bronzer shade from this palette and applying it all over my eyelid, keeping it more denser in the crease area and the outer V. Next, I will be using this medium eyeshadow brush from Vega and picking up the peachy pink blush color from this palette and applying it all over my eyelid, especially concentrating on the inner two-thirds. I will now repeat the same process for my other eye. Now I will use the same Vega eyeshadow medium brush, but just the tip of the brush to pick up the highlighting shade from the palette and apply it under my brows to highlight the brow bone. Must say this highlighting shade is extremely subtle and very apt for daytime use. Next, I will use this small angular brush from Pro Arte in the number AB34 and pick up the same brown color from the palette and apply it on my lower lash line. Now I will pick up the pink shade and apply it on the lower lash line just above the brown shade that I have already applied. Again, repeating the same procedure for the other eye. Using the tip of the Vega brush, I will apply the highlighting shade to the inner corners of both the eyes. Using this cute little brush from Lakh, I will pick up the bronzer and apply it in the hollows of my cheeks for contouring. applying the blush with the same brush on the apples of my cheek. Now applying the highlighter on the highest point of the cheek with the same brush and blending all three in together. I'm truly loving how beautifully subtle this highlight is. Now I will be using the MyGlamm Color Fusion Plumping Lipstick and Plumping Lip Gloss for my lips. Basically concentrating the lip gloss in the center of the lip to give it more plumping and pouting effect. Using the Lakh brush again and applying a little bit of highlighter on the bridge of my nose, the cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin too. To finish the look, very lightly contouring the sides of my nose and the jawbone. Do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members, and comment below and let me know your views. I look forward to all your comments, all your compliments, all your suggestions, and all your criticism as well. So please comment below with whatever your views, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.